Yield farming rewards users for providing liquidity to the exchange. Click on the Farm tab. Here you'll be able to see the available farms. Note that each farm is made up of 2 tokens. In order to be able to stake your crypto in a farm, you'll need to possess liquidity of the tokens in that farm. You can quickly find this by clicking the pool link, then select the value of liquidity you wish to add. Click Add Liquidity and confirm with your wallet. Now that you have added liquidity, we can return to the farm and stake the liquidity. Choose the amount of your liquidity to stake. Again, confirm with your wallet, and the staked amount will update. You will be able to claim rewards by clicking the Claim button. This gives you a summary of your farm and the rewards. Click Claim Rewards and approve the transaction. Humble will confirm the claim and update your rewards. If you wish to unstake from the farm, click Unstake. Approve the transaction. You have then unstaked your liquidity.